We love the feel of the summer sun, but its heat and ultraviolet rays can really punish our homes. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about protecting your home from the sun right after this. Black and green stuff growing on your roof or siding? Pick up Wet & Forget's new rapid application hose end. Now Wet & Forget No Scrub Outdoor Cleaner is even easier with a brand new nozzle that attaches to your garden hose and sprays up to 30 feet. Wet & Forget hose end quickly and easily treats surfaces you normally couldn't reach without climbing up the ladder. Each bottle cleans up to a whopping 2,000 square feet. Visit wetandforget.com to find a retailer near you. When you think about how much exposure a home has to sunlight, it's no wonder that it takes a toll. The sun's rays can make painted exterior surfaces bake and peel. Sunlight passes through windows, exposing the interior to ultraviolet rays and serious heat gain. And those UV rays fade and destroy fabrics and materials over time. For many homeowners, awnings are the perfect answer. By shading windows, walls, and patios, you can block up to 60% of the sun's heat and almost all of the damaging UV rays. The payoff is lower cooling bills and inside fabrics and furnishings that last a lot longer. There are basically two types of awnings, retractable and stationary. Besides protecting your home, the right awning can add a stylish accent to its appearance. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.